Hello everybody, we are back for another weekly average of 12 after a 2-week break, I guess you could call it, because I was super busy practicing and actually actually solving at Nationals, all of which went quite well. Day 3 will be posted as soon as I can get it up, probably tomorrow-ish, and then I did actually quite well at 6x6, which is awesome, and just in case you haven't seen on my second channel, I announced this as well. But I am not going to be doing 3x3 as a main event anymore. What I've decided to do was set my main priorities on 6 and 7, and then a little bit less on 4 and 5, but still more than 3x3. And I'm going to be setting most of my practice to that, so I can do my best to get a lot faster at those, considering I am top 100 in the world at 6x6 single and average, and maybe top 100 7x7 single? I doubt it. But, you know, I really like big cubes, and Kevin Hayes said that where he was last year is where I am now, which means that with a lot of practice I should be able to do well, and so big cubes are going to be my main focus. All that being said, I'm not going to be dedicating as much time to 3x3, which means that I can try out some weird wonky stuff on here that may increase my times. Meaning, I'm going to be switching to color neutral on 3x3. It's going to be a long process probably, and it probably won't be completely fluid color neutral for a long time, but I thought, why not make the switch now? Just do every solve that I can without white or yellow to get accustomed to the other 4 colors as fast as possible, and then when I feel comfortable with those, meaning like sub 20 average of 12, I will switch over to all 6 colors and then shoot for optimal cross. But which means, on these videos my average will be slower than usual, because now my cross and F2L will be on a different color than I'm used to. So, with that being said, let's do this. So, I just finished my average of 12, completely color neutral, except for one solve which had a perfect white cross, I apologize. But dude, this was a personal best average of 12 with color neutral for me. I usually average around 23 to 24, but I just got a 22.22 with a personal best color neutral single as well at 17.47. So that is awesome and epic, and I'm very happy with it. I also gave my timer a redo. Another tag. It says big cubes, and I will be putting CubeSmith stickers and stuff on these buttons as well, like I did on my last one. So, anywho, awesome average of 12 for me. Thanks for watching. Here are the PowerPoint. Here are the spreadsheets. And I will see you guys next week with another weekly average of 12.